Young Noble. You don't know say Nigeria play ball yesterday. Nobody do Nigeria video.
And this kind of video supposed to full everywhere now. They happy for Nigeria.
Who be Lesotho? Which
the African country,
country they group us with now.
Who give her independence?
Let's say that Nigeria will give them independence, but it no work for
How many they play Nigeria?
1-1.
The match was a certain match.
Now they shame.
No, you don't understand.
No, wait. When I play match with Lesotho, when Nigeria won't give independence, they can't play the 1-1. See, you, me, this guy, if we gather, play Lesotho for that attack.
No, you see what we play yesterday. You see what Nigeria play yesterday. They just give us say, okay, welcome to Nigeria. You understand?
Now they make noise from
Nigeria. Make them near us small.
No. Make that reason thing. Nigeria, Lesotho, we play them 1-1. See, on the norm, not say a Nations Cup they start January.
Yes.
And we get this match and the match against Zimbabwe to play. Normally, these two games are supposed to be like form of rehearsal. As in, when we take prepare for the Nations Cup, we'll give Lesotho like 5-0, give Zimbabwe like 7-0.
No, it not be like that. See, if we do all like that, the ball go tired there. Ball go tired. If they see Nigeria, Congo, they catch them.
We want draw the near body.
No, they say, draw me nearer. You understand? We draw the nearer.
We draw the nearer.
No, wahala. See, we forfeit beat the 10-0 yesterday.
Away match,
See, so they Ghana. All those Ghana fans, South Africa, Kenya, they call they laugh me. Young Noble, they laugh me.
If I tell them, say, like you tell them, say, me they draw the match 1-1.
They laugh me.
Young Noble, wait.
But our return leg, we see.
Let's also be say how the people this area many pass.
No, we go beat them. Return leg.
People where they stay for this pool area, they many pass where they stay.
No be about people where they stay in the area. But you know, some of those people say they see try for that match yesterday. You know, see the match. That's what they play.
No.
Now they even best score.
They
try now.
See, I know the para give Super Eagles. I know the para give the coach. I like everybody. All of them. See, they play ball.
Yes.
But normally, who be Lesotho now?
Game they be like that. Game they change.
No. Check the group when we did so. No, check when the group. Rwanda, South Africa, Zimbabwe. Also, see, everybody was in that group. Home and away. 5-5-0. Now supposed to give them 5-5-0. Go qualify. Go World Cup straight.
What it see before they talk like this way? The team pay you well.
We not go last World Cup.
Pay you well.
We not go the last World Cup.
But that not be so don't go this World Cup.
Remember when they group Jamie for that previous World Cup that time? For this Percy group.
How does
Jamie come out. Jamie. It happen like that sometimes.
And the players say them don't collect World Cup before.
Nigeria don't collect World Cup.
No, Nigeria don't collect World Cup for now.
Why don't collect World Cup?
We get those stars. We
go do it. When we get to see me, Boniface.
That one see after.
Only yesterday, because Osimhen no play yesterday, that make Nigeria no win.
No.
Yes, now Osimhen dey score for us well.
No, we get better striker like Boniface.
Guys, see. Now they make next my year. Me, like this, I want to do Nigeria versus Lesotho 1-1 video. I want to do.
See, now question to pay you.
See. Young Noble no say na Nigeria get squad pass for full Africa.
Go meet Young Noble.
Young Noble must do this video.